Welcome to this beautiful Branthaven executive townhome with over 2,000 square feet of total living space and spectacular features like 9-foot ceilings, extensive use of pot lights, and a truly sought-after feature with a main floor bedroom, perfect for a small business or nanny suite. There's even a separate bathroom. You will love this 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhome. Come and take a look. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I'm Mariana Wheeler with Royal LePage.